The rivets sang, suspended. Flesh and timber were long gone, but the iron scabbed itself over with rust and hung in soil. Nail-headed crotchets with their staves erased, making a mute concerto. Worms formed treble clefs, the score punctuated with chafer-grubs, leatherjackets, maggots, and the rivets soared into chorus, whirling up toward the prow. Someone sought to strain the soil out of them and keep them hanging, a Richter rewriting strung on filaments of sound, order from chaos. But on the ground, a cacophony of shadows, echoes, ghosts of drowning notes.